All we need is Nurse Ratched and Jack Nicholson, and we can all be in part of One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. Because this market's crazy. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update and Nurse Ratched and Jack Nicholson. That's all we need. This is a wacko market, and if you think it's not a bubble, you better think again. But hey, bubbles can last longer than we think they are. Here we are, new highs again. NASDAQ charging, Google up, Amazon up $35 late, Netflix going to the moon on losing money. It's a great business model. Tesla up, all losing money, but yet here they go flying to the moon. Hey, you know, you can't fight City Hall, you can't fight the tape, and you can't fight the market. That's what's going on. In the meantime, markets did make new highs across the board pretty much after being lower and after churning all around all day. End of it, they ended up higher. Interesting, 3 o'clock this morning or 4 o'clock this morning, markets were way up and they sold off hard and then came all the way back. So here's what you have, right? Bonds were higher. We talked about that yesterday. Bonds were due a dead cat bounce. No big deal. Your currency, a shade higher. But again, no big deal. Looks like a sell spot here for me. Bitcoin up 1,000. Again, what do we say? Big congestion range. That's all. Up and down, up and down. Give you a little seasickness. You can get some Dramamine to take care of that. Oil made another late charge, trying to push through that 65 now. Gold, another big charge late in the day. I don't know, I don't like either gold or oil, but again, they're proving me wrong at the moment. But I've got a few more cents to go before they take me out and carry me out. So, you know, you look at it from the perspective of what's going on. In the meantime, grains, corn and wheat got hammered, and soybeans closed right at that 985 level. That number that is just, it won't go away. But again, we're going to watch it. Meats were not much going on today, up and down, just a little bit near the unchanged mark. But at the end of it, here's what we have. We've got a market that is totally on Looney Tunes, right? There's nothing else to describe the way this market's acting. There's no way to describe the way that everybody is so gaga over what's going on. And of course, we all know what happens when everybody's gaga. Gaga means uh-oh. And that's where we are at the moment, is a market that is continuing to explode to the upside. Hey, we've said it all along. We're not getting in front of it. We're waiting for that pullback to see that and see if the subsequent rally fails. But things to watch for, you know, watch the volatility. The VIX is hanging in there, and still it was positive on the day. That's not a bullish sign. It may not be bearish, but it's certainly not bullish. The markets are the most overbought they've ever been. All right, these are the highest monthly RSIs and weekly RSIs on the markets across the board. What does it mean? Right now, it doesn't mean anything. Right now, the markets are still going higher. So again, we're not going to tell you that they're not going to go higher. We're just telling you that that's what is going on. And of course, you saw a similar pattern, just if you want a simple comparison. Bitcoin, when it was 20,000, was in the same price formation as the Dow and everything else is right now. What happened? It got cut in half. Now, I'm not telling you we're going to get cut in half, but I'm just telling you that tread lightly here, be careful. Markets can be very tricky, and now you've got just the overall greed is just floating, taking over. Markets are they're running over each other like rats trying to get in. They can't get in fast enough. And hey, again, I'm not telling you that they're going to go down today or tomorrow. I'm just telling you that this is a pattern that doesn't look very good. I mean, you know, you can hear it in the tone of everybody's voice. You know, Bitcoin's a bubble, it's no good, you're going to end up in tears, and the market's great, everything is great. Well, I don't see any support from a fundamental standpoint for this market. I see a market that's unbelievably overbought. I see a market that is going up like crazy. Now, again, I'm not way of it, not only that, but I am long the market in my retirement and everything else. So at the end of it, you got to watch what's going on here. You got to pay attention. You're not going to miss the sell-off. What you will miss is if you try to sell into this market here, you could miss that. You saw Netflix had unbelievable earnings plus they're in takeover territory. And again, Amazon was up 20, 21, 22, and all of a sudden, boom, I looked, it's up 35. In the meantime, next week, a week from Thursday, okay, is an unbelievable day. You get Google, Amazon, Apple, BUBBA, all reporting earnings on the same day. So let's see how this plays out, but we've still got a couple of days this week. In the meantime, this is Bubba's Daily Update. And as always, I appreciate you being here. And also, I'd appreciate if you check out highschoolinvesting.com. See if you can help us out. We're looking to help our youth to become better. We're in 300 high schools, and I've financed it myself for the last 7 years. Now I'm looking for a little help and to help you back. If you do help us out at patreon.com/Bubba Trading, you can try my futures advisory program for free for 1 week. All I have to do is do that, and I'll automatically send you a link. You'll get to see what's going on. No credit card, no nothing. In the meantime, don't forget to get the Bubba Show every single day at 4 to 5 Eastern Time at libertytalk.fm. Everybody have a great day. This is Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Bubba's Daily Update. Take care, everybody. Thanks.